Morning all. For this week's lab learning, I'm going to talk about two things, commercial formulas and process authority letters. This video is probably going to run a little bit longer, and I'm going to include some attachments in the post, but I think it's going to be really useful, or I hope it will be. The reason I want to talk about these is I talk to a lot of brand owners who, good, bad, or otherwise, don't understand, because it's easy to get lost in the semantics, the difference between what they currently have today and a commercial formula. So, meaning a lot of folks will come to me and say, hey, I have a formula, or I have a commercial formula, and then they'll send it to me, and what they have is a great start, but it's not what we would consider a commercial formula. So what a lot of folks will have is what I call a kitchen recipe, meaning it's got 3 ounces of this juice, 6 ounces of this alcohol or sweetener, simple syrup, something along those lines. And it all adds up to 12 ounces of a finished beverage. That's a phenomenal start. I don't want to discredit the work and the process that goes into that, but it's not a commercial formula. What you'll see in it attached is commercial in the sense that it includes not only materials from commercial grade vendors. The names are redacted on the attachment, but it's places that offer bulk juices, bulk acidulants, bulk sweeteners, 50-pound bags of things with full certificates of analysis, spec sheets, safety documents, the whole nine. So it's that, plus vendor codes, pounds per 1,000 gallons, blending instructions with solubility temperatures and orders of inclusion, kind of those, and finished good specs, kind of those 3 things, right? So materials with all the details, blending instructions, and finished good specs typically constitute a commercial formula. In addition to that, you have a process authority letter. So short version on a PA letter is it's a document given to you as a paid service by someone authorized, typically by the FDA, to review products and say what processes will make them shelf stable, right? So in this case, the one I'm sharing is a PA letter that we had done a while ago for an energy drink partner of ours who wanted to use tunnel pasteurization as their shelf stability process. So you'll see there's some recommendations there for time and temperature. These 2 things are typically what you'll need to get a quote from a co-packer. Now, it's not to say that every possible co-packer out there ever is going to absolutely require both of them in order to give you a quote. However, most co-packers who have HACCP certifications, SQF certifications, PCQI, even just standard GMP certifications will ask for both of these, because they'll need them as the start of the paper trail that they're going to require in order to provide you with a commercially made product. So that is your lab learning for the week. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm happy to clarify. Thanks.